Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a quick little haul to share with you guys. I went back for round 2 for Frank Garcia's Dulce collection, and I want to show you guys real quick what I picked up. You guys had seen that I had purchased all of these goodies the last time, but I needed some more because I did not want to touch those if I didn't have any backups. So the first time around I had picked up the 8x8. This time around I picked up the 6x6. And I already showed you guys what the pages look like. I love that pink plaid. So I did go back for the 6x6. I might, you guys, go back for the 12x12. Don't know yet. I also picked up on my first order the 3x4 journaling cards. So now this time I picked up the note cards, and these are 4x6, so it's the same thing but like a little bit bigger. These are also good to make cards, bigger cards, like 5x7 cards. So I picked that up, and then I picked up, of course, another pack of puffy stickers, some more ephemera. I got one of each. And then I picked up, this time around, because I cut up to store it in here, you guys, I cut up all my cut aparts right here and just stored them in this little pouch so that everything can stay nice and neat here. Let me see, you guys, this is the smaller one. So I have both of them now. I think he only offers 2 of them. So I have both of those. And then for the 12x12 sheets, I ended up getting this one again. And then I didn't have this one, so I wanted to pick this one up. I love that background. This one I did have, so I got another one of those. Then I have this one. This is a double too. This one I didn't pick up the first time either, so this is the only one I have of this particular page. And it's the one with the plaid. Can you guys believe that? And I didn't have that one. And then we have this one, which I also had as well. But yeah, you guys, that is my second round of Dulce by Frank Garcia. Stay tuned for my next video. There might be a round 3 in the future. Who knows? Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.